From the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 10. Powered by RP Sanjeev Goenka Group, whitehatjunior.com and Berger Silk.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. I'm saying this with all responsibility. As the editor-in-chief of India's biggest news network, no other media house in the country has been the subject of a non-stop political witch hunt in the way that a Republic Network has. But what has happened today crossed all limits. Around 5 o'clock we were told today that the Mumbai police under Parambir has now filed an FIR against the entire editorial staff of the Republic Media Network. Now that means 1,000 proud content professionals, journalists with integrity, 1,000 members of my network have an FIR against them now by this crazed cop called Parambir. We intend to fight back every single hour, every single minute, and every single day till Parambir is completely exposed. Now let's debate.
In the heart of the financial capital, the Republic newsroom is the epicenter of breaking news. At 4:30 p.m., when there was a constant flow of news, an FIR was being filed against the editorial staff of Republic at the NM Joshi Marg police station, at least 4.5 kilometers from the Republic News headquarters.
Entire editorial staff of Republic TV, I repeat the lines, we use these lines. There is an FIR against all Republic TV editorial staff. क्योंकि ये लोग कह रहे हैं कि आपने हंसा की रिपोर्ट कैसे दिखाई और हमने बोला हम आपके हमारे सूत्र नहीं बताएंगे। तो परमबीर सिंह ने अभी आधे घंटे पहले परमबीर सिंह ने कहा है कि पूरे रिपब्लिक नेटवर्क के स्टाफ के खिलाफ आप केस दर्ज कर दो।
Never before in the history of the world have charges been effectively filed against the entire editorial team of a news organization. And when Republic questioned the Home Minister of the state, this is what happened.
अब यहाँ घोषित आपातकाल है। 1000 एडिटर मुझे पकड़ रहे। ये देखिए मुझे पकड़ रहे। ये मुझे पकड़ रहे। 1000 एडिटर पर FIR कर दी है। सर यहाँ घोषित आपातकाल है। देशमुख साहब जवाब दीजिए। आप पत्रकारों को गिरफ्तार करेंगे, पत्रकारों को जेल में डालेंगे। देशमुख साहब मेरा खून निकल रहा है। आप देख रहे हैं देशमुख साहब 1000 एडिटर पर आपने FIR की है। यह घोषित आपातकाल है। आप पत्रकारों को जेल में डालेंगे। आप धक्का दे रहे हैं मुझे। देशमुख साहब यह घोषित आपातकाल है। देशमुख साहब यह घोषित आपातकाल है। आप पत्रकारों को जेल में डालेंगे। आप पत्रकारों को जेल में डालेंगे। क्यों पकड़ रहे हैं आप मुझे? आप पत्रकारों को जेल में डालेंगे। देशमुख साहब यह घोषित आपातकाल है। मुझे पकड़ रहे हैं। देशमुख साहब यह घोषित आपातकाल है। जेल में डालेंगे आप मुझे। जेल में डालेंगे आप 1000 एडिटर पर 1000 रिपब्लिक। आप ऐसे पकड़ेंगे मुझे। आप ऐसे पकड़ेंगे मुझे। आगे क्यों मारा? नहीं, मैं सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ।
The witch hunt has crossed all limits. A little before 3 p.m., Republic Media Network Group President and Chief Financial Officer left the Mumbai Police Crime Branch after cooperating in the Mumbai Police investigation, whereby details of valuation report, ledger copies, trade receivables, broadcasting expenses, employee benefit expenses, promotion expenses, amongst others, were sought.
These are the most trivial details they are asking for in a TRP scam case. This is the levels to which the Mumbai police is trying to probe and trying to come out in a wild goose chase, and all this is being asked from our CFO.
But here's why the arm twisting won't work. A city civil court, while turning down Hansa Group's plea, stated very clearly that it is natural for the media house to use its news channel to defend itself against the charge of manipulation of TRP ratings and disclosing the documents which support their case of innocence.
It was natural, the court says in its wisdom, for the media house to use its news channel to defend itself against the charge of manipulation of TRP ratings. I say thank you to the courts today.
Republic vows to fight the strong arm tactics of the Mumbai Police Commissioner. Let's debate.
Tuhin, Kanchanda, Nupur, MR, Raghav, Ravi, Professor Mandal, Ved Bhushan and Mr. Jain. I just want to be allowed an opportunity to make an opening remark here. That today Parambir has filed an FIR against my team. He has booked the entire, I repeat, the entire editorial staff of Republic for calling out the Mumbai Police Commissioner. And he has used Section 3 of the Police Incitement to Disaffection Act, a British rule of 1922. So a 98-year-old British rule, incitement to disaffection, not used for 34 years, has been picked up to put an FIR against, I repeat, the entire editorial staff of the Republic Media Network. And they have filed defamation charges against every member of the Republic Media Network. This network, direct and indirect employees, will be over 1,000. Editorial team members are around that number of around 1,000 or a little below that. Anyway, let's take a round number, 1,000 people. 800, 900, 1,000 people, FIR against them. This will not stop us. I went to my newsroom, I asked people. They said, oh, you think they will clam us up because of this FIR? But I want to ask, am I the only media organization in India today? MR is Republic the only news media organization in India today?
India Today.
India Today. What happened?
That's a project.
What happened? What happened? Cat got their tongue?
Arnab, I can see something very interesting. Can I say something, the opening remark?
Let MR make his opening and then we'll get a response.
Arnab, I think this gentleman Parambir Singh has gone berserk. I think it is the hydraulic pressure of somebody who is far bigger to him in political hierarchy. Is pressurizing him and probably has given him a political supari that Arnab has to be somehow or the other defanged and hanged. And I don't know. Actually, this evening, some of my juniors were calling me and asking me, sir, if there is going to be an action against Parambir, what would be the precise section under IPC he should be dragged in? In fact, there has been an enormous debate in my office. Probably this is the first time in our careers we are seeing a case in which the police is building up evidences against a so-called accused. This is fabrication of evidences, and thanks to Nupur, I think we must all congratulate her for ripping apart the Mumbai police.
Has been launched.
Sir, please, sir, you are in the dock. You will be given a chance. All accused will be given a chance, sir. Today you are in the dock. First, let me read out the charge sheet. Then you can come in. You are day by day in the false beard is slipping. You are caught, and you better answer it very clearly. You will be given enough chance, sir. Your police force is now completely maligned. It has no credibility. Sir, I'm not the judge, but I have a freedom of speech, and even Mamta would not have done this. I tell you very frankly. I give you this credit. Indira Gandhi during emergency looks to be a kindergarten student. That is the level to which Mumbai police has stooped. It is fabricating evidence, and it is so utterly shameful for the police commissioner to be caught fabricating evidence. I think,
everyone an accused.
sir, every day we are seeing that the Mumbai police is caught in one scandal or the other. And it is shameful. I don't know how as an Indian you feel. I feel utterly shameful. I don't know whether you are so thick-skinned that you don't see the writing on the wall. Let me tell you, it is so pathetic that this man, when CBI comes calling on him, let me assure you, Dada, when the CBI comes calling on him, this man will be cat on a hot tin roof. Let me assure you this, because we have seen this.
Why do you trust the CBI so much? I want to understand.
I am not trusting the CBI, but I will tell you, CBI will call him, and I will tell you, CBI will also come and call Mamta for various reasons, because you are all co-travelers in the same space.
I believe that gentlemen, on a lighter note, let me explain to you. Please understand the circumstances in which we operate. Kanchan Gupta on the debate. Kanchan Gupta, I ask you, you have about 35 years of professional experience, if not more. I am asking you, you have worked in Telegraph, you've worked in Pioneer, you've set up your own papers. My question is, today, the entire editorial staff of the largest news network in the country, it's, you know, I'm not saying I'm the largest in terms of number of people, but we are not running a small organization. When you put out this, and I'm showing this to you, Kanchanda, I will show this to you today. I will show this to you. First, they say all the editors and the entire editorial staff, all the people in charge of the newsroom, all the people involved in the production or reproduction or copy editing or editing of any story,
अंग्रेजों के ज़माने के जेलर.
Exactly. I said he's Dr. Dang meets Asrani from Sholay, but I feel that Asrani from Sholay is not. He's a mix between, I mean, let me not say this, then he will put 20 more FIRs against me. I will actually say it. Why not? I will say this is Gabbar Singh meets Dr. Dang.
We all understand.
I will say this is Gabbar Singh meets Dr. Dang approach to policing. Now, Kanchan Gupta, on the serious matter, when have the entire editorial staff of any organization, tell me, even during the emergency, did Sanjay Gandhi say that the entire editorial staff of the Indian Express should be booked?
Well, Arnav, I don't think you should make light of what's happening. There is nothing, there is no lighter side to what is happening out there in Mumbai. Let me begin by complimenting you and everybody at the Republic for standing up to this kind of intimidation. You mentioned that I have spent long years in the media in various ways. My association with media begins in 1982. And since then, I have seen many low points between government and media, but nothing ever comes remotely closer to this. Let me also say that during the emergency, some journalists who refused to kiss toes were arrested. But there was never this kind of class action against any media house. We must realize what is being done over here, starting from the first press conference where the police made a hocus-pocus claim about TRP manipulation. Till today, every action has been aimed at intimidating a single target, and that target is namely Republic. This is not how the police force in a democracy works. This is how the Gestapo worked. This is how the secret police worked in the Soviet Union. This is how fear is unleashed. This is how, people keep on talking about signs of fascism. These actions constitute more than a sign of fascism. These actions direct at the state becoming totally reckless and irresponsible.
Yes.
I will just take 30 seconds more. The FIR should be challenged in the courts. I'm sure you will do it. But if it is struck down, and ultimately, when, like all things must pass, this too shall pass, you must not either forgive or forget those behind this kind of intimidation, those behind the attack on Republic TV. I do not wish to comment on the stunning silence of people who come out with candles and jholas every time they believe there is a police excess. And the entire lot has been stunningly silent over the excesses being committed against Republic.
Yes.
This just shows that the moral compass has ceased to point in the right direction. Let me, through this show, tell the people, whoever is watching, that what is happening to Republic TV today will and can happen to you tomorrow. So either you stand up and stop this right now, or everybody is going to suffer.
Yes.
And this kind of suffering will not only dent, but it will tar democracy in our country.
And I have got some gratuitous...
The offense registered is under the Act incitement of disaffection among the police force.
How?
Though the Act is of 1922, it is still valid.
Ratan Sharda.
Now, if you call upon the police force not to obey the orders of the seniors, it does amount to spreading disaffection. So, the named accused are only 4, plus the editorial staff, etc. they've mentioned, which is
what
a
do you
matter of
mean plus
investigation.
editorial
So you
staff? He
cannot
says
say that
entire
all the 1,000
editorial
people have been
staff,
put
all
under the
newsroom
scanner.
heads. What are you talking about? Please read it.
See,
it mentions the entire editorial staff of the network. Don't lie.
No, of that particular...
Television works. There is an... He says entire editorial staff, newsroom heads. What do you mean? Ratan Sharda.
That is right. So
how do you book the entire editorial staff? What is your intention? What is your intention?
Your language.
Display your intention.
Is responsible for
your language is very similar to the kind of language that was used by Indira Gandhi in 1975, sir. This was the language used by Indira Gandhi in 1975. I'm surprised in today's atmosphere using such a language.
FIR,
this is not Vincent. This is not Vincent. This is, sir, you mean to say that Arnab Goswami is wasting his breath, his people, his resources on this debate on fighting the police and fighting the government? Are you saying his lawyers read the charge sheet wrong? My point is, Arnab, this is not witch hunt. This is invasion. This is the invasion of the highest kind of the freedom of press.
Have you gone through
this is something that Indira
Yes, I have gone through. Yes, I have gone through.
British could not dream of.
Yes, I have gone
It
through.
is something like
I have gone
Mughal
through.
invasion where you
Okay, I
destroy
say.
everything on road.
I repeat it.
They destroy
I repeat
everything on way.
it. I repeat it. Therefore, I repeat it. Therefore, 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. One more FIR we need. I have had enough with these people. I am going to go on record repeating what was said. Okay, I want now, I demand that I should also face the 1922 law. Here is what was said. Entire editorial team, wonderful. It was said that people in the Mumbai police and senior functionaries are fed up with Parambir Singh. Point number 1. Where is that matter of detail out here? Yes. It was said that there are police personnel who have said that Parambir is hell-bent on tarnishing the image, single-handedly of the Mumbai police. Yes, it was said. And let me repeat, not one, not two, several people of the Mumbai police, serving and retired, feel so. And we will not reveal our sources. And we will not reveal our sources. And I'm saying so. We put the story out, and I'm told today, and I will expose them. I will expose them. Can we zoom in on this? Let me tell you. You say FIR? Come. I'll show the FIR viewers. I never have lied in my life. I'll show the FIR. This is the reason why the entire editorial staff of the Republic Media Network have an FIR. Come closer here, please. Sorry. Can this be pointed out, viewers? Here's my pen. Can this be zoomed in on, viewers? Yeah. A little bit more, teeny weeny bit, zoom in more, viewers. The statements that I have put out. Please, viewers, please read this. Parambir Singh is hell-bent on tarnishing the image single-handedly of the Mumbai police. I love doing this. When you lie in public, I expose you in public. The words are used here. The words, we question Parambir Singh, the exact English words are used here. And here it is written, and therefore for this reason, the entire editorial team, senior editors, all the journalists, all the newsroom heads, specific anchors are all facing this charge. So here it is, viewers. Now tell me. What's wrong in saying that? What's wrong in saying this? Tuinsina, what mistake have I made? Tell Ravi, what is my mistake? Ravi, tell me.
Basically, the Mumbai police is going to launch
this kind of psychotic and perverse obsession of the state government, this kind of psychotic and perverse obsession of the state government with an independent media house and with private citizens. And I say private citizens because all 1,000 of them are not directly, they're not involved in the case. So this kind of psychotic obsession with private citizens at a time when the state is ravished by flood confirms that this is a rogue state government which carries out its agenda, its Malafide agenda through a rowdy police officer. What is shameful is that every other media house is silent. Arnab, you have fought it brilliantly, and I appeal to you, you should actually take this man to the Competition Commission of India because he's trying to incapacitate you and actually trying to aid your competitors.
Instead of casting aspersions on a responsible police officer, why don't you allow the law to take its own course? Why should you jump to the conclusions?
You have witnessed intimidation. You call this responsibility? Is the greatest malfeasance? I'd like Ratan is responding. Ratan Sharda is responding already.
What kind of charge are you talking about? What kind of charge sheet was proven wrong on the first day itself? What kind of charge are you talking about? Now I'll give another logic. Arnab, let me assume you are culprit. You have been fined rightly for defamation. Imagine Malya's entire staff being put in jail. Imagine Nirav's entire staff being put in jail. Imagine Ambari's entire staff being put in jail.
Ravi is on the debate. Ravi.
Why don't you do it? File a defamation.
You are accused.
File a defamation case. Why don't you do it?
And
you are shouting on the channel here.
And let me go further.
You are shouting on the channel.
And let me go further.
Can we give me one example?
And let me go further.
Person, his entire staff, entire industry gets penalized. Show me one example in the world.
What example?
Even
what the government did to National Herald? What you did to National Herald? What you did?
How can you put case on employees when the employer himself will be charge sheeted? Will you charge sheet even the smallest?
Are responsible.
The smallest guy, first class or toilet paper
I want to one point, Ratanji.
In the world, what is the example? That's why it is invasion.
Ratanji.
It's an invasion. It's not a witch hunt.
Yeah, Ratanji, I want to put everything out in the public domain. If I can be given a minute, I actually want to use the opportunity to talk to the people of India. And viewers, Parambir may become a laughing stock of the nation, but I want to talk about the Section 91 notice that they have put out. First, they went after my CEOs, CFOs, Chief Operating Officer. They found nothing. Then they targeted our advertisers. They got a list of advertisers. I suspect they got it from a rival media house, which is why I believe this is a corporate battle. They targeted our advertisers. They summoned them. They thought the advertisers will leave. None of them left. They became stronger behind us. Then they came after our editorial heads. Then they started calling our editors. They could find nothing to fix us. Internally, the officers came and said, this is getting embarrassing. Then they asked for our valuation reports. They got nothing. Then they questioned our sources. We stood by our journalistic ethics. Then they issued Section 91 notices to get our transaction details. Now they have filed an FIR against all my editorial staff. Now, here's what they want. I asked, what do they want? You know, Raghav, what they want? They said, we want everything. We asked, what do you mean everything? They said, everything. We said, what? They said, everything. Now, let me tell you the definition of everything. It means that if I've given a personal loan to any employee for a medical emergency, for example, the Mumbai police wants to know who got the loan, why, what amount, and what was the medical emergency. Second point, they want to know details such as how much money I spend on housekeeping staff and how much money is spent to clean the toilets of the Republic Media Network in Delhi and Mumbai. They believe I'm siphoning money. They believe I'm siphoning money to pay housekeeping staff. Now let me tell you more. Surprising? No, yeah, let me tell you more. All ledger entries, all details, every single financial transaction for the last 5 years. First of all, these fools don't know I've not been in operation in Republic for 5 years. What do they want to know? Cost of electricity bills. What do they want to know? Cost of carpeting and how many times I've painted my office. Cost of painting it. Cost of dry cleaning these clothes I wear. Right? We wear. I'm telling you, every single ledger entry, which means anything, which means we asked anything over 1 paisa, every transaction for 4 hours. And you know what? They told us yesterday, they told the CFO, you are leaving at 10:30, 11 o'clock. Come back tomorrow morning with the details of every single cup of coffee made and every single tea and vending machine, how much money you spent on coffee for your staff in 10 hours. Come back and give all those details. Now, I don't call this harassment. I call this police terrorism cum stupidity. No, they asked Nupur, they have said, we can ask. And so what they...
crime branch, right?
This is the crime branch. This is economic offences wing. I want to go public today. I'm going public today. And viewers, imagine how we are fighting. What they want is
they launched a witch hunt against Republic. They launched a witch hunt against Republic. They went public with the Republic's name to tarnish the channel without any material evidence.
Now the case comes against India today, they are quiet.
When Republic questioned the very police force which is tarnishing them and hounding them, they are saying that you're creating disaffection against the commissioner and the police force. So
and I want to know today, Nupur, one small intervention, because I want to know, will the rating agency BARC deny that in the Mumbai High Court today they have said that it is India Today, not Republic, never Republic, which has carried out TRP manipulation. Why don't they say that?
Let me say this. Now, this is the story that I had broken, that India Today was held culpable by the Bar Disciplinary Council and asked to pay a fine of 5 lakh. This was in May. Till date, India Today has not paid the fine. And today, when they went to court, the court has told them that, you please pay the fine of 5 lakhs first, which you've been asked to pay by the Disciplinary Council in the case of TRP manipulation. And then you will get...
I want to go further. I want to go further. People ask me, and I get messages from people, and people say,
One second.
Sorry, Nupur, to intervene.
What is material over here? That this case in which India Today is being made to pay 5 lakh, the TRP manipulation was found in Mumbai and Bangalore. Now, notice this, the TRP manipulation was found in 2 cities, Mumbai and Bangalore. One of it is directly under the Mumbai Police's jurisdiction.
Yeah.
And instead of investigating and going after India Today, which is paying a 5 lakh fine today for TRP manipulation in Mumbai partly, they are going after Republic. And when Republic questions that witch hunt, they are booking 1,000 journalists, saying that they are,
I will say more.
defaming the Mumbai police. What Arnab should do and what Republic should do is reach the Mumbai police station with all 1,000 journalists who've been booked, including the janitors, including the cameramen, including everybody from Republic, and tell the Mumbai police to question all 1,000 employees of Republic.
Question all 1,000.
Let us see what what the Mumbai police will do next. They are behaving like, we are not the Nazi Germany, where the state machinery can come down on its citizens and expect blind devotion and unquestioning sacrifice of the self.
And Nupur,
this is embarrassing as a citizen of India, and it's embarrassing as a journalist.
Nupur, I want to say this. You catch a man who has done no wrong. You catch a network which runs the cleanest. You may not agree with our views, but we today run the cleanest, most transparent, most editorially controlled, the most transparent organization which goes and pays its taxes in advance, and which puts everything in the public domain. You catch us because you think you want to fix us, and I then want to tell you that, and why is BARC silent? I have written to the board members of BARC. Let me also break this news. I cannot be handled by these BARC board members. I am telling them, you have to side with the truth. Today, BARC has alleged that it appeared to them in court, and I quote, that this abnormal jump in the daily average reach of TV Today channels may be due to influencing the panel households, which was strictly prohibited by the Code of Conduct for redressing the viewership malpractices.
Absolutely.
A TV Today, which runs the India Today and Aaj Tak channels, had approached the High Court seeking directions to quash. After that, this came. But is there any reporting on TV Today today? No. I have no battle with these media organizations. But why is Parambir using this bona fide complaint admitted in court today as a jumping step to fix Republic?
Can I come in?
Raghav.
Please. I have been silent all the while. A lot of references have been made to Nazi Germany. Fortunately or unfortunately, I'm sitting in Germany right now. And I would like to say that the manner in which Mr. Parambir Singh is behaving would put SS officers like Reinhard Heydrich to shame. He should probably, if he's hearing this, then he should probably Google the name that I took just now. And he should realize that just because he's following the diktats of his political masters will not absolve him when the reckoning comes. During the Nuremberg trials, when Nazi officers and SS officers were asked as to why they did whatever they did, then just stating that it was the order came from the top was not a good enough excuse. And all of these officers were held to account, and no other, I mean, what Uddhav Thackeray is doing right now to control the media is something that Joseph Goebbels would have been proud of. And I think it's absolutely shameful that all the other members of the media fraternity, including the members of the International Media Corps, and I guess, ostensibly they don't have a dog in this fight. So they should be the one who should be speaking out in as voluble a manner as possible against these police excesses. In no other civilized country in the 21st century would this be tolerated. And I think it is a testament to the tolerant nature of the Indian central government that this fascism is being tolerated in Mumbai.
No, you mentioned the Gestapo. You know, therefore, as a student of that period of history, that when the Gestapo was operating, how did Heinrich Müller operate? He operated because by instilling fear in everybody else that he will not go after them. So now my belief is, and everyone saw on, all the rest of the Lutyens media believes Arnab is the only person being led to this Holocaust.
Arnab,
We will be spectators to the Holocaust, and Arnab is the only person in the concentration camp. Now I will burn the concentration camp out and I will win.
Not a final document.
But I will continue to embarrass them every night.
Final document. It's the information of cognizable offence.
Yes, what did you say, sir?
Arnab, it's the information of cognizable offence. In Arnab in SSR case, 9 accused were named.
Yeah, so
only 3 were questioned, 3 were interrogated. No one was arrested in SSR case. In this FIR, 1,000.
So what? So what?
Were named. They will not be arrested.
The information disclosed in the complaint has to constitute cognizable
material evidences will be
So I should, for it.
Witnesses will be examined. They can be discharged. They can be charged without reaching on the conclusion. Nothing can be said. FIR is launch of an investigation only. It will be culminated through charge sheet. Whether it can be cancelled or untraced also. It will go ultimately to the court. Trust to the court. You can also, yes, cognizable offence is there. The police is bound to register case.
You can't misuse. No, 1 minute. Okay, so here's a question. May I ask you a question? I'd like. Can we just?
Came out in SSR
Yeah, Mr. Ved Bhushan. Let me tell you one.
People in the SSR case were not booked for hurting Mumbai police's feelings like peeved girlfriends. What are you talking about?
9 persons
Mumbai
were
police is
named in
behaving like the
FIR.
peeved
No one
boyfriend who's been hurt by the girlfriend.
Trust in the
हाँ मेरे बारे में ऐसा कैसे बोल दिया TV पे? What are you saying?
Trust in the court. Trust in the judicial
What are you saying?
system.
Are you saying that the
Madam,
state
no
government is
trust in
free
the
to do
judicial
anything
system.
and the citizen
You
is
can go
supposed
to
to
the
knock the
court.
doors of the
You can
court?
go to the
You
highest
can
court
behave
of
like
India.
Hitler and we should go to the court. Why? And you're bringing the SSR case. Bhaiya, SSR case where the accused were interrogated for cause. They were not interrogated because they hurt the Mumbai police's feelings.
Okay,
That, I'm so hurt. You've said bad things about me on television. You've hurt my feelings. If you ask me, any police force in the country should have a little bit more spine. What are you talking, sir? A section not used for 35 years is being used against 1,000 journalists, and you're saying trust the police and wait for probe. If you have such faith in the investigation, if you have such faith in the police force, why not hand it over to the CBI? What are you talking? Thousands journalists are being hauled over the court for hurting feelings of the Mumbai police.
I also want to tell you, I wish to, Nupur, give me a minute. Nupur, give me a minute. Can I get Tuhin also in? 1 minute. We are also aware of our rights. Nupur, 1 minute. We are aware of our rights. We will fight. Now let me tell you, they say under a section 91 notice we can ask for anything, and therefore I have been told today that we can ask, and they are asking, for the money spent in toilet paper rolls in my office since we launched. I am today, I am saying today, my team is working as of this minute to find out total so that in the ledger nothing goes wrong. There will be a column where I am going to put toilet paper because it is a matter of national investigation, and linked to the TRPs of my channel that toilet paper, I have been told every single financial transaction and ledger item, which therefore means the cost of my stationery, my printer and my toilet paper, my water bills. As of now, viewers, in one part of the Republic Media Network office, there are people working overnight to tabulate all these details. And I will make it public. If I have spent... No, it's serious. But I'm asking today. This is abuse of the law. I'll tell you why.
Where do they get this idea from?
No, Tuhin, we were told yesterday, हम पुलिस हैं, हम कुछ भी मांग सकते हैं.
Where do they get these funny ideas? Where do they get these funny ideas from?
Tuhin, my friend, 1 minute. Tuhin, my friend, let me tell you why I call this police. They said we are police, we can ask for anything. Now I did my research and I was found that In the Muhammad Muzam Thambi versus Intelligence in the Madras High Court, it was therefore noted to him that Section 91 Criminal Procedure Code does not give an absolute right for the accused to ask for summoning any document, and it is only when the court, on a consideration of the facts and circumstances, considers that the production of the said document or thing sought for is necessary or desirable for the purpose of trial, inquiry or proceedings, would summon the same, but not otherwise. Further, State of Orissa versus Debendranath Party 2005, insofar as the accused is concerned, his entitlement to seek order under Section 91 CRPC would ordinarily not come till the stage of defense, implying that only at the stage of defense can Section 91 be used. So then how is it that it is being used to harass us? Simple and elementary. What you are doing is, you are saying under Section 91, I want everything you have done.
Of the worst kind.
Yes.
No,
Yes.
I wonder if they are asking for the cost of the bandage on your
And that
hand.
is why.
No, yes. No, this is my personal expense. So if they want, they may suspect. They may suspect that the bandage on my hand is part of a TRP scam.
Come on,
No,
yeah.
serious. You are not taking it seriously. This is precisely the point. Please do not. No. Do not take this lightly. They want the cost of my paper cups, my dustbins, and the wires and cabling in my office, the air conditioning. They want everything. I'm not joking. I am not joking. Today in my office, there is a whole group of people sitting to prepare this information.
Their perverse illegality needs to be fought all the more.
I don't take it as a joke.
With a strong legal action that you're taking.
No,
And let me suggest over here to
Kanchanda,
you
this
today
is
that based on the sting operation that you
Kanchanda,
Precisely.
it is not, as Kanchanda said, Arnab, don't take it lightly. There are examples here that are being set.
Calling all sorts of names,
please, whoever this is, try to go and
Manojit, let Kanchanda speak.
Arnab, I would once again repeat that what is being done is extra constitutional because it is driven by factors other than policing. Now, it is all very fine for the police to pick up some extant law going back to 1922 or 18 something. But the fact that they are doing this, the fact that they have asked for these expenses, which I seriously doubt, I am not a lawyer, but I also did some background check on this Section 91, and I seriously doubt whether the police can summon for documents of this nature. If at all, it should be summoned by the ED or the Income Tax Department
Exactly.
or whatever.
Yes.
But why is the police asking for these documents?
Exactly, sir.
Therefore, it makes the action extra constitutional, extra judicial. Please keep quiet. Please keep quiet. You want to defend the police? Go defend them somewhere else. So,
who is defending the
please,
police?
Arnab, do not ever take this lightly. The whole purpose is to shut down Republic TV. Theoretically, they can come and arrest the entire newsroom. After
Yes.
the FIR,
This is the
FIR
reality.
which was filed.
What
I have seen
Kanchanda
the
is saying,
FIR.
viewers,
I have
may
read the
appear to be an
FIR.
exaggeration, but it is a reality.
FIRs in my life.
It is
And
such
today-
an
it is
exaggeration, Arnab,
technically
that it will
possible,
not stand up
theoretically
to the law.
No, today-
if
They
your
can
entire
shut
team
down
is
your
subjected to
studio
this kind
in
of
Bombay.
false
No.
announcement, it will
I
be caught in a minute.
I repeat here today, Manojit, 1 minute, Ravi and Ratan Sharda, this is the reality. Now I will fight. I said Ratan Sharda, I said I will fight alone if required, alone if necessary, with everyone if required. But I want the people of the country to know that today they can arrest any member of the editorial team who works for me. Right? They have asked for a list of every advertiser of Republic.
What the people who are laughing about it.
There is nothing to be afraid of. We will do this.
They are
But
laughing about
I'll give them what they want. But I want to know that what they are doing is illegal. Because what they are doing is illegal. I will file intervention applications in the court, and I want an answer to my question.
Then comes the law.
This country,
Yes.
your rights are fully protected.
No, my rights are protected. I will have to exercise the protection of my rights. I will approach the courts for justice in this matter. This has gone too far. Witness intimidation, lies, fabrication of evidence, coercion, FIR against all editorial employees. Why should I take it lying down?
Srivastav ji, when FIR comes from the entire team, it is no more a question of law is protected.
I also request, let there be suo moto action on this. Let the people of the country rise.
Take justice. People could be behind
Let people petition in whichever way they want. There has to be justice in this country.
There are lawyers available.
Don't mock it. Don't mock the legal process. Don't mock the legal process. Nupur is, don't mock the legal process. It is my legal battle and I will fight. Don't mock it.
The luxury of Kapil Sibal who can open the courts in the night.
Can I just give me 30 seconds? It is very concerning that the defenders of state governments from the Maharashtra government. Stop talking like a blithering idiot all the time. Just keep quiet for 30 seconds. It is very concerning that the defenders of state government from the Maharashtra government to the TMC government, they all say that if the state government behaves like fascists, the citizen can go and approach the courts. But the fact is,
calm down, everyone.
The state government should not use its state machinery to hound citizens and to behave like fascists.
Calm down, Ravi.
Forcing the citizen to take recourse in the law. The state governments are supposed to be upholders of the rights of citizens.
Why would
They're not supposed to be? Are you done? Are you done being a crazy person on national television? Like the Maharashtra government, you want to make a fool of yourself as well?
You are
Quiet!
You are an idiot.
Mad.
Don't
You
make a
are.
fool of
Keep
yourself
quiet
here.
for 30 seconds instead of blabbering like a hopped up monkey. Keep quiet.
You keep quiet now.
The fact is that the state government cannot trample on citizen rights and then expect the citizen to approach the courts. You cannot condone fascist behavior from the state government and then pass the buck to the judiciary saying that the judiciary should pull up the state government. You have to condemn the actions of the state government, which is now booking over 1,000 employees and 1,000 journalists because of their personal vendetta.
Ravi, please, both of you. No, 1 second.
Bengal to Maharashtra.
Okay. I want to know. There is illegal sand mining going on in Marve Beach for the last 6 months. Is that the priority or my sanitizer bills?
No, first of all,
No. There is a 25,000 crore Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank fraud in which a clean sheet was given allegedly by Parambir Singh. Should that be reinvestigated or the salaries of my staff?
She can't use this kind of language.
Or my toilet paper?
Sorry. She can't use this
No. You talk about the elementary issue. Talk about the issue at hand. What about the crimes in Navi Mumbai?
Fascist governments. I will use it.
State is targeting you. But that doesn't mean that.
Important matters in this country.
No.
India Bulls.
Honorable lady has used a very bad language.
India
for a very
Bulls.
senior person. She can't use this kind
I
of
say
language
this
on
without
television.
prefix or suffix or connotation or context. India Bulls.
A million times.
No,
Focus on the issue now.
You can't use this kind of language. That doesn't denote freedom of speech.
Focus on
You
the
can't
issue,
call a person a
Manojit.
monkey.
There are important issues in this country.
Manojit, focus
The
on
important
the
issue in this country, the important issue, you speak on the issue. The important issue today. The important issue, Ratan Sharda, the important issue is this is 2020, not 1975. This is not 75. The entire editorial team of a channel and a network is threatened. You don't want to talk about it? This is, what will they do next? They will cut off my power supply? Fear and intimidation tactics were used.
1,000 journalists are booked and they don't get offended. One person is called a fool on television and they are jumping up and down. This is what shows their true personality. जब खुद पे बनती है तो बड़ी दिक्कत होती है. जब अर्नब पे बनी आई है तो आप बैठ के स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को डिफेंड कर रहे हो. आपको शर्म नहीं आती है? You are shameless people.
Are you a stooge of Arnab?
Be careful.
Who are you? Are you an agent of Arnab? Who are you?
Am I Nupur's agent? Am I Ratan Sharda's agent? Am I MR Venkatesh's agent? You cross the lines in your description on the matter. You don't expect to be rebutted? You don't expect to be rebutted?
Discussing the oppression of the press, and this guy comes here, makes useless sounds.
Viewers,
he has no argument. Don't come on the panel. You come on the panel, either make an argument or keep quiet.
The public is
you
being
cannot come
hounded.
here. and
No.
insult
I want to tell you, viewers.
which has got entire staff under FIR.
No, but you know,
Absolute senile people.
One second, please. Nupur, also calm down. My question is, we remember that Indira Gandhi said, I will arm twist publications by controlling their ad revenues. That was 1975. Now let's look at the other side. Every one of our believers is with us today. But remember the date today, and Kanchanda has given me the cautionary advice which I accept, that do not take this lightly. MR, all editorial members of India's largest network have been booked. One comment from you on how the entire media in India does not consider this to be a story worth reporting.
Arnab, it is appalling and frightening that such a big event happening to a very large channel is completely blacked out by the rest of the media. And let plague be on them. I have nothing else to say.
No, MR, this man went to all channels saying that Bark has given me proof on Republic, but Bark has said in the Bombay High Court today, its proof is on India Today.
Arnab, Mr. PK,
he lied. He's a liar.
Today's FIR is
Parambir the liar.
But on October 7th FIR, he is completely silent. Why is it Mr. PK Jain silent on the October 7th FIR, and today's FIR he says it is gospel?
Okay, viewers.
What is it, Mr. Jain?
Viewers, our battle goes on. More and more support is on our side. Our newsrooms are buzzing with phone calls, emails, Twitter messages. I want to tell you one thing. In my life, I have never been on social media. I declare today that henceforth I will be on republicworld.com. Not Twitter, not Facebook, but I will start interacting with you in a special section on republicworld.com as often as possible. So track us for press releases there. Let the good fight continue. For tonight, good night and goodbye.